The new impact clutch holder is a perfect example. Until now, there were no impact-rated holders that existed, so even if you were using impact tools, the holders weren't rated to withstand the higher levels of torque. Plus, there was another big problem: no ability to control the torque of an impact driver while using standard bit holders. Try driving screws all day long in metal-to-metal material. DEWALT solves both of these problems with one solution. The impact clutch holder is engineered to drive your fasteners in tough, high-torque applications, fully utilizing the power of your impact-ready driver or screw gun when the clutch is off. Turn the clutch on to control the torque and minimize stripping or breaking of fasteners and reduce bit tip breakage. And if this weren't enough, DEWALT's impact clutch holder offers 5 times the life of DEWALT standard bit tip holders.
I really like the driver because it has a lot of power and it's lightweight. With the clutch on, it has a lot of torque to it. Once the screw gets in place, it stops. With the clutch on, you can really feel the difference, especially on heavy gauge metal, because it can actually break the heads off, and that's one thing we don't want to do.